Beehive Falls.
Exactly. No beehives.
No beehives.
There should be. These don't want their hives, so we will fall off.
No, they can find places for it. Did you see the one yesterday?
Oh, yeah,
Up in the...
that's like this, where it probably has multiple holes in it.
Careful, it might be slippery.
I'm going to stay right here. No, just watch. Don't sit up. Don't sit in there.
How did you guys get up
Right,
there?
wait there.
How did they get up there?
You
Oh.
saw a fish?
You missed it. Ah, careful.
Hang on, Callum, I'll get you two, mate.
Oh, there's tadpoles.
Yeah, I'd say tadpoles. No. Beautiful clear water.
Mm.
You drink that. Should I drink it?
No.
Worst I'm going to do is get the shit.
Yeah, on the walk.
I'm going to have to go if Lachlan's going to go.
Lachlan, you can't go.
I'll hop onto that rock and then go jump into that rock and then come up.
I think you should just stop there.
Lachlan?
You won't make that jump. I got pushed.
Go back down, please. Lachlan, listen to Mum. Go back down. Yeah, Callum is going back. You're going back, aren't you, with Lachlan and helping Lachlan?
Yeah.
Off you go back.
Yeah, I am.
Here comes Callum. You're going to get bitten by mozzies. Quick, go back so Callum can hop off. Quick.
Funny you could say that, I've already been bitten.
All right. Oh, come on. Well, you got up. You can get down. Let's go. Good job. It's beautiful. All right, come back this way, Lachlan.
This way, Lachlan.